Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the ROPOT Travel Reverse Osmosis System. Inside it comes with the water filtration system. You get the 5-in-1 filter that's already installed. You get an 18-ounce borosilicate glass bottle. You get the power adapter, some cleaning brushes, the filter removal tool, and the user manual.
Briefly going over some specs, this comes in two colors, blue and white. This has a 6-stage RO filtration system with UV sterilization, portable design, and no installation required, 1-button operation, and worry-free maintenance. Here you can see the 6-stage filtration and how it removes all the contaminants. It comes with a borosilicate glass bottle, no internal plastic tank, and no secondary pollution. It has a stainless steel carry handle and the dimensions are 13.5 by 10 by 5 inches. With the worry-free maintenance, it has an auto self-clean when on idle, timely filter change alerts, one single filter, and it takes 3 seconds to change.
Okay, just to look at the water system, you have the touch control on the top here, and then this is where the water comes out. You also have a reset button on the back. You have a nice carrying handle here on the top, and then you also have the housing for the filter. On the side here, you have your water tank. So basically you just lift this up and then pull up, and then you're able to fill the water. And then on the back you have the power adapter connection. So out of the box, the setup is pretty simple. You have a quick start guide sticker here, which I already removed. You have the online instructions, which I'll link in the description box below, and you also have the user manual. But basically, you have to just put the bottle like so, and then fill the tank up and power it up. And you want to go through 3 filter cycles. So the top LED will be blinking, and you won't be able to use it until you go through the 3 filter cycles. Once you go through the filter cycles, the LED on the top will change to a water drop symbol, and then you're ready to use it. So here I have it plugged in, and then you can see the top, that water symbol. So it's ready to use. Like I mentioned earlier, initially once you plug it in, there's going to be LEDs that are circling around, and then you'll have to go through 3 filtration cycles before you can use it and see that symbol. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the water tank, and then we'll see how it works. So looking at the water tank, you have your max line here, so you want to fill the tank up to that line, and then you don't want to use it below this dotted line. There's a sticker here saying for optimal performance, don't use it below that dotted line. So I have the water tank filled up, and then I got the 18-ounce water bottle here. So basically, just to start it, just press the top and it will fill it up to 18 ounces. So I'll take out a stopwatch here so we can see how long it takes to fill it up to 18 ounces. Okay, so it took about just a little over 2 minutes to fill it up to 18 ounces. So 2 minutes and 3 seconds is what I have here on the timer. You can also start and stop at any time. So if you want to top it off, just press the button again. And then it begins to fill. And then if you want to stop it, just press it like so. So here are my thoughts on the ROPOT Travel Reverse Osmosis Water System. This is a Very simple, sleek, lightweight unit. There's no plumbing needed. You could put it on your countertop or tabletop. They give you this 18 fluid ounce water bottle. I wish they did give an extra one, so you can have extra ones or put it in the refrigerator and have a cold one ready to go. The filter system is 5-in-1, and it just slips right in here. As far as the water taste, very clean. Comparing it with the tap water, you'll definitely notice the difference. So this unit is perfect for those that want to have that filtered water. It could be used if you have an RV trailer, camper, if you're on the go, or if you just want to use it at home and you're not confident in your tap water and you want that filtered taste, or if you just want to reduce your water bottle usage. Again, this is the ROPOT Travel Reverse Osmosis System. I put the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.